Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see what is datetime module in Python and how we can use it to extract certain kind of information from our datetime variables. So for this purpose I will simply import my datetime and pandas. So in case if you do not have these installed, you can install it through pip. So you can type pip install datetime and similarly the pandas. So I have these installed, so I will simply import these both the libraries. So I will simply run this cell. Okay, and now what I will do that I will simply create a series of date time. So I am creating a series here for the periods of 1000 and frequency equals to hours. So basically I am creating an hourly series of my date time, and there will be 1000 periods. Okay, so let me run this and it will make more sense. So now I have run it. Let me create a simple data frame using this datetime variable. Now let me show you what I have created. So basically I have created this datetime variable. I will put this code in the description box so you can get it from there and practice it. So basically you can see that now I have an hourly data for this particular variable. So you see that for first 1/1/2020 from 0012, so this is an hourly data. Okay, now let's proceed with our analysis, and first of all let us see that how we can extract hours, minute and second. So for this the command is very simple, and I am storing it in the variables, creating new variables for every each of these hour, minute and second. So the command is actually after your variable you need to use .dt.hour. So this is basically in your datetime module. Let me run this. So now if you see that I have run this complete cell, so I have created my hour, minute, second. So you see that first variable for the first record, you see that you have 000. So this is your hour, minute and second. So here we have this hour, minute, second. For the second, you see it is 100. I mean it is 1 o'clock in the morning, so it is 100. So this is how you can basically get hour, minute and second in a single line. Okay, so this is very easy. Now, let us say you want to know that you want to get the week number from your variable. So for that particular purpose, what you can do that you can use your date variable .dt.isocalendar.week. Earlier there was no ISO calendar, there was simply .week, but actually that is functionality is now deprecated. So you can use .dt.isocalendar.week. So let me run this, and now if you see here, then you can see that this is essentially your first week. The first 2020 is obviously your first week of the year. So you see that this is your first week, and similarly basically I have created 1000 periods, so my data is up to the 7th of week only because I have created only 1000 hours of data for the purpose of demonstration. Now similarly you want to see that how many unique weeks I have in my data. It is simply the Python's inbuilt command that is unique, so you can get the unique data in your data frame. Okay, now let us say you want to grab the month. So for that purpose you can simply type your date variable .dt .month. Okay, so remember this .dt .month, and when you run it we can basically get our month. So you see that now I have extracted my month. All right, you can check unique also if you want to, because I have only a certain amount of records. So obviously I have gone up to February only, so it shows me that I have unique months as 1 and 2 only. Right, now let us say you say that I want to extract the quarter from my datetime variable. For that purpose the command is simply dt.quarter. So it can basically provide you which quarter you are in. So this is the first quarter, the 1/1/2020, and similar. So basically this is the way. Now let us say you tell me that I want to grab the semester. So let us say there is some payment kind of issue, or you can understand an school scenario where you want to calculate the semester in a particular situation. That is also very easy. Basically here I have calculated the quarter. So you see that every year has 4 quarters, and so the first semester contains 2 quarters, and the remaining third and fourth quarters are in the second semester, right? Because our year is divided into 2 semesters. Okay, the first and second are the first quarter. The first and second quarters are the first semester. The third and fourth quarters are the second semester. So I can simply use np.where, and what I am saying that if the quarter I have created is in 1 and 2, then it is the first semester. If it is not 1 and 2, then it will obviously be 3 and 3 or 4. In that case, it will be a second semester. Okay. So I hope it makes sense. So basically what it does, it basically okay, sorry, I need to import my numpy because I am using np.where, so that is in numpy. So let me run this again, and if I run it now, you will see that I will not get an error because I am using the numpy here. So basically I have extracted my semester. All right. Now, with the similar kind of, you might have guessed right now that we want to extract the year, then that is also extremely simple. You simply provide the year here, okay, .dt dot year. So this will provide you the year, okay. So you can see I have got 2020. So basically I have got the year. Now you want to extract which day of the week a certain date is. So for that purpose, it is .dt dot day of week. So if you see, then for the 1st of January 2020 is my second day of week. So let us say you want to verify it. So you can just go and check your calendar. So actually it is 2021 right now. Let me show you what is 2020. So basically the week starts in datetime module as Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1. So basically Monday is counted at day 0 for the datetime module. So 30 is Monday is 0th day, Tuesday is 1st, and Wednesday is obviously 2nd. So that is why if you go again here, then you see that for the 1/1/2020 it says 2 because it is Wednesday, and since the Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1, so Wednesday is second day of week. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now you want to extract the name of the date. Let us say that you want to doing some analysis and you want to grab that what is the day name. Okay, so for that purpose I am creating a weekday name. Okay, and what I'm doing here is I'm taking my date variable and I'm simply typing .dt dot day name, and let me run it now. So you see that it is Wednesday. That is what we just saw, that 1st of January 2020 was an Wednesday. Okay, so far so good. Then let us say that we want to extract the time elapsed between two dates. So here I have created two dates, date 1, date 2, and I'm creating a variable elapsed time. So you can just simply just subtract date 1 from date 2 and you can just get the result. So you see that my date 1 is 1st of January 2020 and my date 2 is 30th of January 2020, and it gives me 29 days, okay, and 0000 hours. Similarly, if you want to calculate difference from a certain date from the current date, so here you can say in the date 1 I have my 1/1/2020, and current day you can get from datetime.today, and let me run it. So basically it gives me 385 days. Okay, so that is all for this video. If you want me to make video on a certain topic, then please do let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will come up with a new video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.